siguro ito na yung time para magsabi ako ng thank you and lagi niyo pong tatandaan, lagi kong gagawin yung best ko. Pipilitin kong piliin na gawin yung best ko para hindi niyo ako masyadong problemahin. And lagi niyong tatandaan na genuine yung care ko sa inyo and wala akong ibang hinahangat kung hindi yung best para sa inyong lahat as a family. And mahirap man isa-isa yung lahat pero lahat kayo na naging parte sa buhay ko kaya ako naging ganito kasi sa lahat ng influence binigay nyo sa simula noon hanggang ngayon. Nagpapasalamat ako dun sa bawat isa sa inyo.
Good, so say happy birthday, congratulations, we still go. Try lang. Hindi kaya. Okay, sino po yung pinakamali na? Tusok mo! Itusok mo na kaya! Okay na! Oh, okay. Oh, right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh my Jesus! Okay, I'll give you like 5 for now. Yeah, kuhin nyo muna sa kamay, hawakan nyo. I think 5 is for just for now, yeah. And,
okay, 5 each.
Yeah. That's just 6. One more. Okay, so everyone. Let's make
okay, 7 muna, 7, okay? Then let's see who wants to get more, okay? 7 muna, okay? 1, 2, 3, go!
Hey, girls! Face here! Don't hide her!
Don't punch it, don't swallow it, okay?
This is the point of this game. Okay. Don't punch, just put it inside, okay? Okay, Natalie, good! Okay, start tayo. Kuya Steve, congratulations! Good!
Oh, wait, tanongin mo add or no? Add or no?
Ano, no?
No.
No daw. Okay, let's try again. Congratulations, Kuya Steve! Go, okay, not bad. Pinawa.
Dito mo na, kaya, sige.
Okay, please, guys.
Wait, 30, sinding muna, sinding.
Okay, Steve. Okay. Remember, Luis.
Nathan and us.
Okay, pass. Okay, Micaela, let's go. Okay, Chelsea. What are you doing? You're eating it. You try. Just put more. Yeah, that's the point of this game. Yeah, we want to laugh at you guys. Okay, yeah, one more. Good, Chelsea. Happy birthday. Congratulations, we still go. Just right. Try lang.
Tago na sinding.
Hindi kaya. Okay, sino po yung pinakamali na?
One more time. Say Nathan.
Okay, let's try more. Round 2. Okay, Nathan, go.
For Nathan, palakpak po tayo pag kay Nathan.
Okay.
Okay, so pag Nathan, palakpak. Pag kaibigan mamaya, hooray, okay? So Nathan, yung natitigil.
Okay, let's see. Let's see back.
Palakpak na lang.
Okay, palakpak na lang lahat. Okay, walang sigawan. Okay, for Nathan. Okay, not bad.
Okay,
Wala kasi doon. Okay, it seems it's clear. Obviously, Ate Micaela. So congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, Micaela. Ate Mica is the winner. Palakpakan naman natin.
Thank you, guys.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Steven. Happy birthday to you. Okay, wish mo na, pray mo na bago blow. Wish mo na bago blow. Blow the candles. One more. Wala pa ka naman.
Congratulations and happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to the Steven. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat sa mga nagplano po, mga nag-effort na gumayak at pumunta dito. Lalong-lalo na sa pag-iisip po sa akin. Gusto ko rin po magpasalamat kasi binigyan ako ni God ng ganitong pamilya. Mga ganitong lolo-lola, tito-tita, mga pinsan, mga kapatid, mga kaibigan. Tsaka yung mga nakapaligid sa akin sa buhay ko. Siguro ito na yung time para magsabi ako na thank you and lagi niyo pong tatandaan, lagi kong gagawin yung best ko. Pipilitin kong piliin na gawin yung best ko para hindi na ako sa luma kung limahin. And lagi niyong tatandaan na genuine yung care ko sa inyo and wala akong ibang hinahangat kung hindi yung best para sa inyong lahat as a family. And mahirap man isa-isa yung lahat pero lahat kayo na naging parte sa buhay ko kaya ako naging ganito kasi sa lahat ng influence yung binigay nyo sa simula noon hanggang ngayon. Nagpapasalamat ako doon sa bawat isa sa inyo. And hindi na ako masasabi yung lahat pero yun po. Nagpapasalamat ako kay God sa biyaya na binigay niya sa buhay ko. At patuloy niya akong binibigyan ng lakas ng napakapambihirang pamilya mo. Kumbaga, kaya nga ako madalas yung mga bagay-bagay talagang hindi ko naman ako yan hinahangat. Kasi yung pagkaramdam lang ko na may pamilya ako, sobrang saya ko din. Thank you Lord sa lahat. Yan. Masaya lang ako nakikita ko kayo nakapaligid tayo lahat sa family. Ayan, mama, papa, lahat po ng nasa ibang bansa, wala po dito. Love you po. Thank you po sa lahat ng efforts and care. Thank you.
All together daw. Right. To your left. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip.
Hooray!
Get closer to each other. Closer. Smile. Okay. Meron na tayong lechon. Food. Asikaso po ni Ninang. Si Tita Pat. Si Tita Ethel. Si Ate Chris. Thank you. Sarap ng lechon. Hindi, tsaka ang bango niya talaga.
Room 4. Mga teens, pwede na kayong kumain agad.
Kasarap. Ang sarap, no?
Napakasarap ng lechon.
Ay, naku, Tita Flor.
Kanina pa kami nagpapako.
Picture ko rin ko kayo. Okay, picture, smile. Upo kayo doon. Angelo, doon ka na din. Okay. Lapit ka pa. Okay, smile. Okay. Okay na. Thank you, Kuya Steve.
Dahil po nag-22nd birthday ng ating Kuya Steve, lahat po yan ay 22,000 pesos. Yes.
Brought to you by...
Brought to you by Mommy, Mama and Papa. Mama Jane and Papa Ryan.
And this celebration is brought to you by...
The whole celebration is brought to you by the loving parents of our Kuya Steve, Mama Jane and Papa Ryan. Yes, Nate. What can you say?
A lot of money right there.
How much do you think? Do you know the spatula? Where's the spatula? Yeah. But there's a twist. You need it. Yeah, there's a blindfold.
Okay, simulan na natin to.
Okay, Kuya Steve. Sino kayo mauna? Panghuli kayo ang ating Kuya
Simulan
Steve.
natin siya.
Mauna siya. Okay.
Okay, Kuya Steve, ikaw na mauna.
Buena mano.
Kuya naman, pwede rin kayong manood ho dito.
Okay.
Yan yung mga tapos, pwede rin tumayo at panongarin ho.
Next baby, Kuya Nate.
Ay, mga kapatid. Kuya Steve, ready ka na ba? Ay, ready. Okay, ready na daw siyang sumandok.
Ayaw na coach.
Walang strategy. What can you say?
You like an over, right? You want like...
Ganaman. Okay, let's see.
Next time na si Kuya Dave.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Let's see. Sunrock, Pera! Okay, big team. One more. Dahil birthday mo ngayon, bigyan ka namin ng chance.
Apa?
Real.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Okay ba yan? Marami mo nakuha. Okay, ganito.
Wait, this one. Ano ang twist?
Dahil walang nakuha si Kuya Steve, okay, tutulungan natin siya. We will help Kuya Steve, okay, to collect money for, Kuya Steve has lots of expenses pa, like the flying. So, all who will participate, okay, every cash that you will put in the basket will be given to Kuya Steve. Is that okay for all of you?
Guys, kung makukuha pa ng Kuya Steven natin, yung buong 22,000. So, nakasalalay sa ating lahat kung lahat to ay mapupunta sa Kuya Steven natin. Or hindi.
Okay, Steve, anong sasabihin mo sa mga player na sasali?
Good luck and arigato.
Okay, susunod na lang tayo. At excited to eh. Okay,
Okay, para kay Kuya Steven. Okay? Okay. Para kay Kuya Steve. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay! Tusok mo! Itusok mo na kayo!
Okay na.
Okay.
One more or no?
One more pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Baka si may malaglag eh.
Ay! Okay, Waki, kung mag-ina na natin mag-book para kay Steve, may prize, syempre.
Yes.
pakibilang. Sunod ako yung ano. Okay, Kuya Aaron. Aaron, you were here. Yeah. Yes. Go. Pakibilang na lang po. 1,150.
Pwede pakitanda na 1,150. Okay. Nathan, do you think we can get more for Kuya?
And then what's the amount?
1,150.
1,150?
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on. You gotta like strategize.
Ate Chelsea has something to say.
What? More to your right.
Or to your left.
Or left. No,
Are you ready there? Okay. Okay, you're doing strategy. Let's see.
You have a photographic memory?
What's the best possible course of action that I should take for the easiest success?
Okay, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go!
keep going straight. To your right. Okay, now stop. Okay, now keep. Okay, go on this side. Raise your arm.
Keep going right. Yeah.
Oh no! Okay, 1,
2.
2.
And at the count of 5, you should be putting it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, perfect.
That's very good.
Receive. This one's for you.
Let's go. 5, 4, 3.
1,050 na, Nate. You got the 1,020 pesos for Kuya Steve. Okay, Noah is next. Okay, Noah, tingin mo, kayang kapatan or tigitan yung 1,050 for Kuya Steve?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 10, 9,
Ha? Kung pwede mo.
7.
Okay, sa unang satong pa lang, 2,970 na.
Wow!
2,940. Isa pa. Kuya Steve.
Makukuha kaya ni Noah.
Parang mga teens pa lang ah.
Pinagdikit-dikit na naman!
Halos 8,000 ang nakatbok ni Noah. Sayang. The rules is para kay Kuya Steve. But are you happy?
Happy ba ako para kayo?
Almost 8,000 lang naman. Hindi ko nabili lang.
Lagay mo na kayo dito ba?
Okay. Kuya. Ayaw pa talo ng pito. Tingnan na natin. Ay.
Bubus na! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Dalawa. 1, 2, 3, go! Pwede. Okay. Yan. Pakikuha. Yan. Round 2! Okay, dahan-dahan. Sinendok sa kanan. 300 lang. Okay, ito dito. Ah, dito.
Okay.
Oh, style.
Inanto ka na.
Dito pa rin. Ang kasando ko is...
How much? Natalo ba si Kuya Noah? 1,600.
70.
Yan, oh, dito.
For Kuya Steven yan ha. Dito dito ha.
Pero yung pinakamarami makuha, may prize din naman. Okay.
Kukunin lahat. Ayun o.
Nakakumbit, Okay. Tingnan natin, tatalubin ba ng bata? Okay naman. 4, 2, 3, go! Baba. Ay! Binunod! Ay! Oh, not bad. Okay, pakikuha po. Pakikuha, yan. O, dito, isa pa. Okay.
White line.
Ay! Sila Lolo Pijo, yan. Para kay Kuya Steven. Bukan matatalo ata ang ano.
Ang anak.
Ito.
4,000 na. Mahigit. Dito, 4,670 pesos.
Ay!
Dito.
Thank you! Ito na, si Lolo Pijo, winners and vote! Bokya!
Dito, gusto mo ba isa pang chance?
Isa.
Chance.
Silid mo na, silid. Yan.
Okay. Nasaan? Go, Tito. Wala talaga, Tito.
Isa. Ano yan, Lolo? Yan!
Ayan na.
Ang dami!
Ayan na.
Ayun, kinalibot! Si Lolo na, si Lolo. Alright, bawi yung si Lolo Pijo. Walang nakuha para sa apo. Yan! Hoy! Isa pa. Napili ah.
Go, Lolo.
Hoy!
Ay!
Laki!
Ayun, sumabi.
Pakinggan. Ha? Madami. Bilangin mo na, baka napalo si Noah.
Ito pa, isang basta. Ayun ka. From Tito, ano?
3,000? 4,000? 5,000? 12,000? 7,000? 7,600.
Meron pa.
10,000 plus. Ay, nako, Steven.
Try natin. Dito run. Ikaw, try mo
Tito,
na.
go, Tito.
Representative. Sige na. Ay, inipon mo. Inipon.
Go, go.
Dilipat.
Ay, nanginginig pa.
Ayan, inipon nila. Niluluto na yung bawang sibuyas. Ayan o. Sunod na yung bawang. Ayan na. Binaligtad. Tinupi. Oh!
Naka-120 siya. Thank you.
Thank you. Pwede ko lang to. Ah, Chelsea. Nathan. We need the coaching.
I'll actually help you this time, Ate. Don't worry about it.
Chelsea.
Oh, the instructions were unclear. Okay, let's see.
Go, Ate.
Paso yun.
Ate, wait, take a look at it first. Take a look at it first. Take a look at it. Oh, no, Okay, look at it first, look at it first. Alright, I think what you want to do is just put like that. Just like thrust and then like just put it in your box. I can say be fast, be fast. Do you feel like going? Yeah, have your box near you. Okay. Well, fast thrust. No, go straight, keep going straight. I said no, throw. 1,000!